Hi boys and girls, the directions today are for lesson 6 problem set. So make sure you put your name on it. Number 1 says solve. The first one has already been done for you. So guess what? This is what we want to see. They give you an example. So the problem is 9 plus 2 equals 11. So remember, we're making a 10. So we're going to break apart the 2. I only need 1 to make 9 into a 10. And then I have 1 left over. So if I have 10 and then 1 left over, it equals 11. And then we're going to write it just flip-flopped. Instead of 9 plus 2, we have 2 plus 9. It's still the same exact problem, so we have to break 2 apart the same exact way. Both of the problems turn 9 into a 10 and have 1 left over. 10 plus 1 equals 11. This is the related 10 plus fact. This is the 10 plus fact that goes with these two related addition sentences. So for 2 and 3, you're going to do the same thing. Break apart 6 to show me how to turn 9 into a 10. And the same thing here. And then fill in your number bond with your 10 fact. So 10 and what? And then your answer. Okay, sorry about that. Number 3, same thing. 7 plus 9, we have to break apart our 7 to make our 9 into a 10. How are we going to do that? We do the same thing for both problems because both problems are exactly the same. They're just flip-flopped. Over here, you have your 10 plus fact. So 10 plus whatever was left of your 7 makes this. For 4, 5, and 6, use number bonds to show your thinking. So again, same thing. Show me the number bond off the number and make 9 into a 10. You're going to write your 10 plus fact here. So I break apart my 4. I make my 9 into a 10. So 10 plus whatever's left over equals. And do that for 4, 5, and 6. For number 7, it says match the equal expressions. So you have to figure out, if I have 9 plus 3 and I want to turn it into a 10 fact, that means I'm going to have to break my 3 and give it 1. So I have 10 and 2 left over, which matches here. So if you need to make number bonds or rewrite the number sentences to solve, then you need to do that. So these are all your 10 plus facts. So which of these match? You're going to have 1 for each. Solve them to see. Write your number bond off these numbers. Number 8, complete the addition sentences to make them true. So some of these are easy, just 10 plus facts. Some of these are not 10 plus facts, and you might have to find the related 10 fact, or you can count it on. Try to use your plus 10 strategy. So 3 plus 9, if I make my 9 into a 10, and I'm going to take 1 from the 3 and give it to the 9, what's left over, and boom, I should have my answer. Pay attention because some of them, right here, here's a missing addend. Some of them have missing addends. Okay, so just be careful and pay attention to what you do. Check your answers on the answer key. If you make any mistakes, go back and fix them. Talk to a buddy. Learn from a buddy. Good luck.